Marami nga pala nagtatanong kung saan, kailan kami nagkakilala at kung ilang taon na kami magkakilala ng jowa kong Amerikano. Nagkakilala kami February 2022. We started talking sa Bumble kung saan kami nagkakilala. Then dumiretso kami ng Snapchat, but sadly, hindi pala nagtatagal ang conversation sa Snapchat. So nag-decide na kami mag-usap sa WhatsApp. After 3 months of talking, we decided to become official. Noong una, akala namin hindi mag-work tong relationship namin because of the cultural differences. Mahirap din kasi we are apart from each other. Minsan mapaparanoid ka, minsan din mapupuyat ka because of time differences. Pero okay lang kasi pag mahal mo, mahal mo. During that time, I'm a 4th year college student and he works as an Amazon driver. Sabi ko sa kanya, huwag muna siyang bibisita ng Pilipinas hanggat hindi ako gumagraduate. Ayoko naman gumastos siya ng malaking pamasahe and then hindi ko mabibigay yung full time ko sa kanya. So after ko graduate last year, September 2023, he decided to book a ticket October for my birthday. So we waited for 1 year and 5 months before we see each other. He stayed here in the Philippines for 2 weeks. We visited some zoo, arcades, amusement park, and of course, in-explore namin ang beautiful island of Siargao. After 2 weeks, he decided to go back to America. Pagkabalik nga niya, nagplano na ulit siya kung kailan siya babalik. He said he's gonna be coming back after 3 months. I told him sa anniversary na lang namin or sa wedding ng kuya ko. So he decided to go back April of this year. He attended my brother's wedding and he stayed here for 1 week. Hindi na nga siya umabot sa anniversary namin, so nag-celebrate na naman kami na magkalayo. Mahirap talaga pag LDR, marami kang mamimiss na celebration nyo together, but we are still fighting. Pinakilala ko na rin pala siya sa family ko, friends, relatives, sa mga classmate ko. Mga nagtatanong din ng age gap namin. He's 31 and I'm 24. We have 7 years age gap, but that's totally okay. Sa mga nagtatanong kung may friends ba yung boyfriend ko, meron naman, pero all of them are taken. And some are married to and not available. Kaya sa mga nagtatanong kung may mabibigay ba akong afam sa kanila, wala po. Happy and contented ako kung anong meron kami ni jowa. Hindi man siya yung pinakamayaman na foreigner, but he is there to take care of me. Kaya sa mga nagsasabing pera lang ang habol namin sa mga afam, alam po ni jowa na hindi yun ang habol ko sa kanya dahil alam niya wala din siyang pera. I'm so happy because some of his friends messaged me that I'm the reason why Jacob smiled and why Jacob is contented of what he have right now. Kaya sa mga followers namin, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. I hope I answer some of your questions. Love you guys!